Hello guys, yeah, on the previous video we talked about how we can add background color to our project OBS background so that it projects out, and this video is going to be on how we can add text, though we covered a bit of text on the previous video, but then there was nothing, there was no sort of emphasis on the text because it was more on background color. But I'm very definite that at least you saw what I did and you have an idea of what and how to go about it. So on this very video here, we are going to be working on how to add text to OBS. So for instance, just like I said earlier, maybe I have a particular scene that is meant to to give my audience insight of what my presentation is all about. Or maybe I want to add a text while people are online. I want to have text like, maybe if it's an online section, I want to add a text like for instance, I want to add something to the bottom here telling people to ensure they subscribe, or maybe they follow up, or maybe they can contact the following number for so and so. So I can decide to do something like that. For instance, I can decide to just duplicate okay, I can just duplicate this text here. Let me create something. Okay, let me just do it from scratch. So all you need to do is, first you have your scene in place, your sources, you know what you want to write, then come to this place and click on text GDI plus. So you click on it, you give the text a title. It could be maybe contact us, so that people know that this is what this is all about. Contact us. Then the text could be here. You make it visible, you click on OK, then you write what you want to. I can make it like contact us. I'll do it this way because I want to do something now. I want to do something different. Then I'll just, maybe I'll make this white. I'll make this white, allow it white. Then I can add a background color of maybe black, of maybe black. Yes, maybe black. You can see. Then I will come to add background opacity. You can see I will increase it so that it becomes visible. Then if I want to add any outline, I can add an outline here. By activating outline, an outline will be on the text. So this is the color of the outline. Maybe I want the outline to be, maybe let's say I want it to be this white, normal white, and I want the initial text color now to be black, so that that outline will appear, so that you understand what I mean by outline. So can you see? That's what I mean by outline. You can see there's an outline on the text. So I can decide to increase the outline more so that it becomes more visible and beautiful. Can you see? I can do it this way, then click on OK. So by clicking on OK, you can see we have a text here. So I can reduce it this way to place it the way I want so that it becomes more visible. So I can reduce it this way. You can see it's not visible again because there's so much outline on it, not visible. So let me go back to the text and reduce the outline so that it will be visible. Can you see? Okay, I think I will increase it rather to make it more bold and more visible. Can you see? Okay, I think that's the highest. That's the highest. That's the highest. It's supposed to be more now. Why is it not just uh okay, let's see if this will work. Is this clear? Is this bold enough? Not bold enough. So I think I will just do it this way. Maybe on a presentation, I want some people to take action. I can just do something like this, come up with a text like this. Then let me duplicate this, copy and paste. Then I will just make something like this, edit this very one, change the color to maybe I'll add my WhatsApp number now. I can make it this way, 24083997, or I'll add my country code plus 234. Then I'll change the text color now to maybe, okay, I'll leave it this way. I'll leave it this way. Then I'll change the background color now to something like green. Change it to something like green. something like green. This green here is cool. Then I'll OK it. You can see it has changed. Okay, this is supposed to be plus. Yeah, so you can see we have the contact there. I can decide to just OK it, and now you see I have two major. Now you discover that something happened to the second one the moment I added this one. That was because they are having the same sources name. So you have to change one. So this one now is going to be contact us. I'll leave it as contact us. Then I'll change this one to WhatsApp number. To WhatsApp number. So I'll change this to WhatsApp number so that as I'm working on it, I'll know that yes, what I'm working on is WhatsApp number. So I'll OK this way. Okay, this is actually changing. So I'll OK this way. Okay. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. I think let me just delete this. Let me delete this and add a new source. So I'll keep this here. I'll keep this here. And let's add a new source, a new text source, so that we don't encounter this issue. So let me just leave it that way. Okay, this way. Add my text. Now it's going to be contact us. Contact us. So by so doing, I have it here. My color remains black. Then my outline remains what? White. My background color remains black. Then my outline is going to be, I'm going to activate outline. Then I'll change the outline color to white so that it becomes very visible to white. I'll OK it and also increase the outline opacity, then and also the outline size. So I've increased it. Outline is still showing white, so it's supposed to be, was it supposed, okay, it's supposed to be white. The main color is supposed to be black. The main color is supposed to be black. The main text color here is supposed to be black. So change it to black, then OK it. You can see there's a big difference on our text. So can you see we have them in different, so there's no point duplicating, just create afresh so that it doesn't look like. But then you can design this, if you're a graphic designer, you can design very beautiful and just import the image, of which we'll be learning how to import image to our devices later on. So I'm going to activate background, then increase the opacity of the background so that it appears. I will OK it. You can see. So for a presentation where people are live and you want them to maybe take an action on a particular thing, you just want to add your contact, your details instantly. Maybe you were not prepared, someone asks for your contact on the comment section, maybe you are live on a live stream, and you to design it will take you time. You can just do something easily with Canva. You can manipulate it to make it more beautiful. I just had to do it this way so that at least it's just to give us a clue on what's before us with OBS. So you can see, so I can have something like this. The moment I'm done with this, I can just transition it so that people will see it and know that yes, this is what this is all about. Can you see? So I can have it this way, and while I'm live streaming, I do it, transition it, it's live, or I can even record it. So that's how it works with adding text to your OBS project.